Hello everyone, welcome back on the weekly market updates. I'm Shouraya Khadgawat. This week, markets have shown steep fall and clearly endorses that old saying when it has been said that bulls always goes up on staircase whereas bears comes down through the lift. All major indices have shown negative returns for the week, and also the day of Wednesday has been considered as the day of bloodbath, where small cap and mid cap have shown the steepest fall in intraday since February 2022, which was the day of Ukraine and Russia conflict. Let's understand this more clearly while looking at the movement in the major indices. So Bank Nifty have given the negative returns for 2.78% and Nifty has clocked 2.35% negative returns. Small cap and mid cap both have clocked more than 5% of negative returns for the week. Now let's see how sectors have performed. Throughout the week, सभी sectors ने बहुत ही poor perform किया, but सबसे ज़्यादा negative returns देने वाला sector अगर कोई था तो वो था PSU, which has given a negative return of more than 8%, followed by metals have given 5.97%. The only two sectors which have performed well were IT and consumer goods. Now let's talk about global markets, and that first we'll consider US markets. US markets में WPI के डेटा आए, इन्फ्लेशन डेटाज आए और मार्केट मोर और लेस स्टेबल रहा. But on week basis, they have also clocked negative returns, whether it is Nasdaq or Dow Jones. Now let's talk about institutional activities. Surprisingly, this week FIs were net buyers, but ex-ITC and other block deals into the stocks, they are still net sellers, whereas DIs were net buyers for the week. Now let's see what's happening with the commodities. Gold has touched a new high, whereas silver has clocked the gain of 2% throughout the week, and the political commodity, the crude oil, has touched the mark of $85. Let's talk about the important events that have happened throughout the week. The most important one is the SEBI's action against the companies who have failed to follow the compliance guidelines. As JM Financials is already under the scrutiny of SEBI, now they have barred them from managing new debt issues. Earlier, there was an order issued by the SEBI restricting IIFL Finance from making new clients for the next 2 years, which has been set aside by the SET, and that's a relief for IIFL Finance. In another event, in Mahadevi betting app scam, the ED has frozen 1100 shares which have been bought through fake broking accounts. In another action, SEBI has guided mutual fund houses to undergo through stress tests just to ascertain that how fast they can liquidate their holdings. Also, as per the guidelines issued by the Supreme Court, the SBI has given the data for SBI electoral bonds to the Election Commission, and the same has been uploaded by the Election Commission on their website. Now let's talk about stocks and news. ITC has been the talking point throughout the week as BAT has sold their 3.5% stake in it. The deal happened in the block and a lot of market investors have checked in. After this deal happened, ITC have shown 9% of gains in intraday. In other news, Madhya Pradesh government have given a contract of 174 crores to the joint venture of RVNL and Salasat Techno. DB Realty have raised a fund of 920 crores by selling their shares to the institutions. There is a sigh of relief for the Paytm as they have been given a third-party application provider license by NPCI. Bharat Electronics have got a major order amounting to 847 crores rupees from L&T for warfare sensors and the systems. This is it. We'll be back with more updates next week. Till that time, stay tuned with us. Thank you so much.